Yo, what's up, guys?
Yo, what's up?
Welcome back to our page, and we are just Pagarik, right?
Back in the building,
Back in
baby.
the building, and this is your boy Senior.
Boy Mahad.
It's tiffa.
Yo, it's Bino.
And finally, we are back with K-pop Marathon now.
Chee.
Here, we got a new K-pop song,
Yeah.
K-pop release songs, and here we go. What do we get today?
Yeah, we got Heart to Heart Road music video.
We also have Everglow called official music video.
We have BLACKHOLE music video.
Now we got XG Rock the Bot official music video, right?
Oh,
You guys
exactly.
ready?
Yeah. Born ready,
So
boy.
let's start with Hearts to Hearts, right?
Yeah, Heart to Heart.
Hearts to Hearts Road official music video.
To the white.
Alright. I get it scrolling, yeah?
Wow. And that was Hearts to Hearts, right?
Yes, sir.
It's an entertainment and the track crew, right?
Yeah.
What do you guys have to say about this before we go this up?
It was a good song.
Yeah.
It was a good song. It was a calm one. The choreography it was smooth and simple. And to me it portrayed a message like you can just do what you please to do in your life.
Yeah.
Being you, being yourself. There's a line she said, I shine the brightest whenever I'm myself.
Okay.
Yeah, so that made me see like everybody's trying to do him or her. Yeah.
I love this song. I love the messaging to it. I love the video. It was cute. It was so cute in here.
Yeah.
So basically, it was a nice song.
Yes.
It's a nice song and has a great time right here. I like much about the sets. The sets are so crazy.
Yeah.
His transformation is an on point.
On point.
Yeah, I have a great time right here, bro.
Yeah.
It was a good song.
Yeah.
I love the outfit and I love them. They're very cute.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
nice. So we should just go to Everglow, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
So
sir.
let's hit it up with Everglow. So, official music video, right?
Yes.
Here we go. Out, right?
Yeah.
What do you guys have to say about this? It's our first time having Everglow in the building, right?
Yeah.
So here we go.
It's a good song, though I did not get well the lyrics. Could match with what they were portraying, the message, but it is a song that I can vibe with it, like it's a, club
Feel-good
song,
Feel
fun
good
song,
song.
feel good song, hyping, it's good.
I love the beat mostly in this song. I love the video. The rap part is crazy.
Yeah,
I
it's
really
crazy.
go and do my assignment. That rap car really flowed in the
Spitted
video.
bars, yes.
You know, right?
Mm.
Had a great time with this.
Oh, they have the vibe. I enjoy it. Yeah, as you say, the beats, they have vocals, they rap. So I give 100.
And then their fashion was
Yeah, it's crazy.
I love black.
Yeah. And most of this video, they're wearing black, right?
Yeah.
What you say?
It was a good one.
Yeah.
Oh, so we good?
We good, we
So
good.
let's hit it up with I-DLE, and this is BLACKHOLE.
Yeah.
기적이 틀림없는 걸
We're all kids.
Where they're standing. Where is that?
Oh, really? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So, what do you guys have to say about this before we hit it up on our last song?
Yeah, I did well. The black hole music was a good one to me. It tried to portray the message of manifestation, manifestation, and believe in what you're doing. Look at me. Go out, run away from danger. Do you, be you, strive, win.
Always.
Yeah, win always.
Love,
Yeah. So it was a good message. Thanks to all, you got to what I was thinking in my head. Apart from that, I like said from where they were standing. Hey, are they afraid of heights?
It's crazy.
It was a good one.
And actually, they're so pretty, man.
Yeah,
They're so
very.
beautiful. They're really pretty. I love the transitions in between. Like you could feel like you could feel you are listening like three different songs.
Yeah.
That was really nice. I really had a great time.
Yeah.
I like about the dances, in the sense of a lot of dancing and dancing with that, choreography was on point.
My brother already said it. Yeah. I love the transition.
Transition.
The twist between the songs. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and we good?
Yes,
Yes.
we good.
So let's hit it up with that C, rock the board. Then here we go, right?
Yes,
Top. Damn. And we're going to do this Coca-Cola in the glasses.
Right now.
rock the boat, yo.
Wow. The video was so cute.
Very, very.
I love that point where they were like dancing, they started dancing,
Ah,
and
yeah.
Kokona was in the front line.
Yeah, that was
I
crazy.
really love that part. So here we go, we had our 4-in-1 video. We did 4 videos in one, K-pop new release songs. Here we go, let's speak about the last song or the whole session in general before we close this up, right?
Yeah.
What do you guys have to say about this before we close this up?
It was a good one. I think the XG girls, they know what they are doing.
Yeah.
It was an English song. They
Oh,
did
yeah.
well. Kokona is rapping.
Yeah. Oh,
And
Actually,
she's spitting bars.
One thing about Kokona, the first song I listened about Etsy was Woke Up, Look Like This.
Yeah.
And Kokona really, first impression, like first singing, first getting impressed,
Yeah.
I was really up with Kokona. So she is definitely a good rapper.
Yeah.
And that's in that song,
Absolutely,
she
bro.
really like, it is the song where she shaved her hair. So basically she used to have long hair. So in that song she went like, she was shaving it in the music video.
Damn.
So she went hard on me.
She did it for the music video.
Yeah, I think it was for the music video. She was like, yo,
Shout out to you, yo.
Kokona, like, she's good.
And now the head is more fresh after the shaving.
And
You're
she's
spitting
Like
bars.
Mahad.
Yeah. Be like me, Kokona, you know? See, yeah. Yeah, it was a good one. And it is a lot. It gives me this
Rock the boat,
love
bro.
song, huh?
Yeah.
Hypothetically, you're mine already.
Lyrics were really clear, right?
It was
Yeah.
very clear. It was a good one.
Wow.
100, bro. I don't know what to say, but 100.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah.
It was a good one. I love this song since the first time we
Yeah.
saw it, the lyrics one. Yeah, and the video is hot.
Yeah, very, very.
And that's up. If you have not watched our whole review, we did an Etsy album, The Code. Reaction is available on our Patreon and YouTube. If you did not, then you got to listen to that and see how we vibe with Etsy, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
we're promising and doing good. So here we go. That was up with us. We believe you guys had a great time with all this session.
Yes, sir.
And if you did love and enjoy this, please don't forget to
Like,
Comment.
subscribe and share this beautiful content
to your friends and your family and your fans out here.
And also don't forget check out on our Patreon page. What do we get?
We got
Exclusive content for you.
guys.
I love the content.
Every just for you guys. And also if you're watching this on our Patreon page, we truly appreciate
We
you.
love you guys.
Thank you so very much. You keep us going every day. We're so glad
Always.
and grateful having you in the building.
Yeah.
Right? And with that being said, so we say that we'll be back with more
Videos.